All right, so we're here to do the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. I've been challenged by that asshole Jake. You're never gonna get promoted, buddy. I have to challenge 3 people, so I'm gonna challenge Sterling Bark, Steve Schultz of Costa Mesa Tattoo, and Dirty Ron Turner of 10th Planet Jiu-Jitsu. So you guys got 24 hours, you gotta pay up.
I challenge Adrian Padilla and Frank Deloche.
Frankie!
You got 24 hours.
Wait, one more person, right? Don't you have to challenge one more?
I don't know who
I
else.
don't know, it doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. That's all I know.
So what happens now? Dude, that's not cool.
Okay.